This is one of water reservoir in my city. Beautiful view. I like the view. People like to hang out here, including me. And today, this is the second time I'm here with my Sigma 7300 millimeters. Because in this place there are so many Javan Pond Heron and Cattle Egrets birds, and I'm going to photograph those birds. The first time I came here, I lost the opportunity because of the heavy rain and also the strong wind. Look the bush in front of me, so the birds over there. So I'm going to photograph from here. I think 7300 millimeter lens Sigma, this one. I think enough for this. Let's get closer to the place. Look, the birds in front of me. Look over there. I see it, but it's a bit hard to photograph. They know I am here.